Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure carefully. Use 6 Oz tequila, 4 Oz dry red wine, 2 Oz orange liqueur, and 1 Oz fresh lime juice for one cocktail, a ratio that preserves both tequila and sangria character. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 3/4 cup chopped fruit, orange slices, berries, or peach, so fruit and sweetness balance the booze. Stir or gently muddle fruit just enough to release juices without turning the drink pulpy. Keep measurements consistent for reproducible flavor, and adjust sugar by single teaspoons to taste. Muddle 3/4 cup fruit lightly in the shaker to release aroma and color. Press just enough to crack flesh but avoid pulverizing. Add measured spirits and juices, 1 cup ice, then shake or stir for 15 to 20 seconds until chilled. Shaking gives aeration and brightens the blend. Strain into a salt or sugar-rimmed glass over fresh ice, or leave fruit in for a rustic presentation. Garnish with a lime wheel and a sprig of mint for aroma and an attractive finish before serving immediately. To make a pitcher, scale ingredients to 24 Oz tequila, 16 Oz red wine, 8 Oz orange liqueur, and 4 Oz fresh lime juice, plus 4 tablespoons sugar and 3 cups chopped fruit. Mix gently, then chill the pitcher for 1 hour so fruit macerates and flavors marry. Stir before serving and top each glass with ice. For variation, swap triple sec for cointreau, choose a dry red wine for less sweetness, or add a splash of soda water for effervescence and a lighter finish.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.